Hi everyone. I'm with Victoria today.
Hello.
We are going to
Ikea to get my bed because I've been sleeping on the couch for a week. See, I can't even complain because that couch is so comfy. So I'm living the life.
She's been sleeping on the couch with Milo.
Yeah, Milo's
She's
been
bunking with
buddy.
Milo.
Sleeping buddy.
But yeah, we're going to Ikea and then we're gonna go to Costco. I'm so excited for the Ikea food.
I'm
the
excited
meatballs.
for the taste testers. I'm not gonna lie. At Costco?
Oh, I was like, Ikea.
You're like, fuck.
They have that there?
Yeah, or I think they have it during a certain time, but it's still early.
In Ikea?
Oh no, Costco.
Oh yeah.
Costco.
Yeah. But yeah, we're going there with Jess and Mika.
It's bonding time. Bonding time.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. Right now, this is what Victoria's place look like.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah, we're picking up her mattress today.
And then my bed frame comes in tomorrow.
She has this too.
Yes, we built it together.
Yeah.
It's teamwork.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys Jess.
No!
Jess is right there.
Camera?
No, it's the same one.
I'm watching Alchemy of Souls.
Where are we going today?
To Uk's heart.
What?
Jung Uk's heart.
Okay.
He's my baby.
Milo's looking at you like you're crazy.
Look at him. Hey guys, so welcome to my vlog. And Julie is just a feature, but this is my vlog. And so we're gonna take you guys to Costco, and Julie's gonna be my assistant.
Yes.
Period out. So Milo, come here. Heel. Fix it. Bruh, he just doesn't, he knows he's on camera. Heel. Hate this guy.
What can you say about it, Milo?
Wait, we should all
Chimp.
Now we're gonna go see Mika and Jess.
Hey, where's my key? I go wear your shoes?
Am I gonna wear shoes?
Your shoes?
My shoes?
The one you wore?
Yeah.
Oh. That's Mika. Hi.
With Milo? Jess. Victoria's over there. Go, what are you doing?
Oh, let me not show you something. No,
Milo,
literally
come
scan it. So
Yeah, if they see
Come here.
you, like
trying to get.
Yeah.
and tell her like the.
Hi, say hi, Milo. Here's
just give it to me,
Milo. Say hi. Hi, Milo. Don't go down. The camera can see. Okay. You want the camera to see? Wow, Milo.
To pay. Oh yeah. Because I feel like they're gonna because my coworkers at my work today were telling me, wait, let me fix our bags. I said most of them have this function. Yeah, they do, but I think that they
We're
still
going
like,
to
kinda
Costco and Ikea now.
Good boy. We can all just.
Mom Jess has something to say.
I'm the mother and these are my kids because I'm the mama driver.
Yeah, Mommy Jess. Oh, muscle.
I don't have this.
Muscle mommy.
I'm going to the gym. Can I put this there, Julie?
Yeah. We're in the car
We're
now.
gonna drive my kids to Ikea.
Victoria, say hi.
Hello.
We're here. Ikea.
Ikea's colors are looking kind of ugly.
And then Costco is just right there across Ikea.
I'm gonna park
It's very convenient. We're going to order pickup to pick up Victoria's bed. Whoa, you can't see me. Okay.
Whoa, my hair.
To pick up Victoria's bed. She's right there. She's. I thought you used the lint roller. You still have Milo's hair.
Because Milo came back to me.
We were looking for the Ikea meatballs and they have it here.
Do they take EBT though? Do they take EBT?
We only have EBT. They're kind of expensive.
Ketchup.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm not expensive for once.
Oh.
Even their ketchup is like so good.
I know.
You want to put it in the car now?
I thought it was a toy. I was like, wait, what is this?
I thought it was pink. I have heart-shaped waffles.
Where?
Look at how cute. They weren't $7.99. Totally get a box.
That's so cute.
That is cute. Let's put Victoria's better ones.
Okay.
Mommy just leaving the cart.
Someone takes it.
It's not gonna fit in the trunk.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the.
on top of you guys.
Yeah, in the back. Victoria's mattress. Are you excited for your new mattress? Finally.
Bro, she was sleeping with Milo and Milo stinks.
I know. Okay, you got this.
Wow, thanks, camera girl.
Oh, she's strong. Put it in there.
Wait, that fits. Right. Yeah, you guys will just. Wait, I think you can put it on the floor too. If you guys don't care. I'm fine with it on my lap if it won't fit on the floor. You guys just have to like go. You guys have to just sit like this.
I don't think that's safe.
It isn't?
No, I don't think so.
Go like this. Like that. You'll be fine.
We'll be chilling.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
We're going in. Those are so nice.
I want to put it above my bed. That was cute.
Ooh! These are so cute. No!
It's so precious.
I used to have these when I was a kid. Like those like glass.
Really?
Yeah. Cause I like cooking. Ooh!
That's Milo. Dude, we could use this to train him. Milo's sick. Oh shit!
They're gonna think
I'm
you're
joking.
abusing Milo.
I'm just joking.
Oh, Arrow has that.
I know, she told me right now.
We're going to the cafeteria and we're gonna go eat. Ooh! I want the meatballs.
Ow!
Meatballs.
Oh, wait, I haven't. Here's your
Ooh!
Ooh, what's that? Cookies?
Yeah, it's chocolate.
Ooh!
You didn't get no meatballs? You need Julie, give her a meatball.
I need to try the meatballs. Look at my meatballs.
I already got those too.
Ooh! We just finished eating.
I got a bag.
Bro, I ordered Swedish meatballs and it comes with 8 meatballs, and then I ordered another extra 4. That should be,
I thought you got 12.
yeah, that should be 12, right? With the extra already.
Oh,
but
they
they gave me
fucked up.
16 meatballs and I had to finish
She
that.
said, no, you need to eat today.
Yeah. Everything I lost in the gym, I gained again today.
And then some. And then some for me.
And then some.
$90, hell no.
After that.
That shit, $90.
Whoa.
The next lamp.
That is nice.
For the light?
Yeah, the lamp.
Oh, you were looking at yourself? I was looking at it. Is it like a funhouse mirror? Oh.
I'm in the back.
Oh!
Bro, they literally.
Look at this is my workspace. That's my bed. And then there's Jess.
Hey guys, so I'm having a bad hair day because I didn't fix my bangs, so now it looks like stupid. Stupid!
Like this.
Oh, the towels I got from Costco are too thick. Because I have some from Costco. Because look, feel
I got
this.
my stuff from Costco.
Feel this. I like this better, like thinner. But this is way too thin because this is a hand towel. Whoa, this is cute.
Thanks, I bought it.
I should match Mika's bed. Let's go. Wait, I was looking through this.
Imagine it was a lighter point. Oh.
I feel like if I get my own apartment, I would want a bigger one. No, a bigger one. Yeah. Yeah. That section. Is this what you're looking for?
No. Wait, let me try.
She's looking for a cover for her duvet. She said it has hearts. Did you find anything yet?
No, they don't have the heart one.
So you're just gonna get that one.
Yeah, I might get this one. Because it's soft.
I'm also trying to get a new duvet sheet cover, but I can't find anything that's good because I'm tired of mine. I want to change it, but I can't find anything, and duvet covers are very expensive, so we'll see. I'll try to find some on Amazon, but right now I don't see any duvet covers that I would like. This is Victoria's mattress. No, because try it right now. I set up the camera for you.
It's like bouncing. I tried to. Oh.
Damn, she's very comfortable here. I like
Oh, that's a cute blanket, Mika.
Very bouncy.
I love bubble. I might get that.
Very
No,
yeah.
I don't think you do.
It wasn't as soft as I thought it'd be though.
Oh, really?
Get it.
Oh, you're on the plastic. It's okay, it's okay.
Edit arrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Right here. Come here, let me measure you.
My bang. Julie, don't put that. I looked so bad. Don't put that.
Come here, let me measure you right here.
Don't do it.
Hey! Oh, period.
Why up here?
Where?
Supposed to be my waist.
Oh.
You put under
Right
your
here?
hip.
Like, yeah. It's not gonna fit around my hips. It barely fits
She
around my
is 1 inch.
Damn. Damn.
She's got a
1 inch? This is 1 inch.
She's sad.
She's this big.
JYP's gonna be knocking on your door.
How are you gonna close that?
Oh hey, I didn't see you there.
She did. She lying.
Yeah, I did.
My hair. Oh shit.
Oh,
You're so tall.
So cute. Oh look, Julie, look, KitchenAid.
ready?
Yeah.
Damn.
My ribbon.
More mandu.
Ooh, the steam. The steam. And then there's just Jess over there climbing the... We're at the cup section. So we're by the plants right now. Oh. We're by the plants right now, and I'm thinking of buying a plant, and Jess is too.
I want to be a plant girly.
Plant girlies. Plant mom.
As soon as you did that,
Wait, don't do that. Don't push that.
Yeah, that's going in there. I don't know what to get though. What plant do y'all think I should buy? I had these before, the small ones from Trader Joe's, and they died. Or at least like the flowers. So right now it's at my grandma's and she's trying to revive them. But I want something that won't die on me. Not fake plants though. Like something like, maybe like this, but look at these. These are nice. I don't know. Are you getting a plant?
I want to. Let's go look.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, follow me.
Okay.
My assistant is holding the camera.
She's like,
I want to buy this one. Hey, you got a ball.
Zoom in.
It's a succulent, and I know how to take care of it like that. See? Looks like sausages.
Oh, these are pretty.
Julie, smells so good.
Ooh.
I like it when it's like. Wait, Mika, smell this. Because it's like more stressful.
smells like a guy.
Oh.
Like cologne-ish.
Oh, maybe I should get this.
I feel like I'm lonely. Let me light a candle.
Wait, Julie.
I want to.
I forgot we had a cart.
Oh yeah, this is ours.
I want to get like a real plant.
Yeah, me too. These are nice.
I think I like this one.
vibes.
The snake plant. You don't have to water that a lot, I think.
Yeah.
I think I want this, Julie.
Oh, I want this.
Whoa. Of course you would want that.
It's like the. I was gonna say uterus, but okay.
Yeah, that's what you wanted.
No, you were gonna say something else.
They want
And what about it?
Oh, I want this.
Of course you would.
You're so stupid.
Wait, I have to buy a little pot for it. Come here, Julie.
Wait, I'm still trying to figure out what I want. Is this the same as what you have? It is, huh?
Or I don't know.
It is.
Oh, it is, yeah. We could take the same one and we could take it.
I'm getting this too, and then I'm gonna get the.
I'm gonna name mine.
I'm gonna name mine Jess.
I'm gonna name mine Jules.
Jules.
Jules is my first love.
Jules. Hi vlog. We got some ice cream. It's called, what is it called?
Called yogurt scream.
Yeah, and then Jess was like, no, I don't want some yogurt.
I was like, I don't want yogurt. And then I got ice cream.
Yeah, it's good. Because it's hot.
It's bussin'. It's gas.
It's gas.
It's diesel.
We're on our way to Costco now. Costco? Are you testing pillows?
I like this or something, so we have to do the food section.
How many are you gonna buy? Like a pack of 2?
I don't know if I should get 1 or 2.
I think you should just get the 2-pack.
Is this the one that was on it? I don't remember.
I think I bought that before. It gets really flat.
I have a whole.
Oh, it's memory foam.
Show me the camera. This is what Victoria was like. Oh, this is the one I have at home. It's so soft.
It's memory foam.
I think.
Oh, there's 2. Oh no, never mind. Sorry.
It's so nice. You have it? No, it's not.
How much is it?
31. No, that's light.
29. 29.99, and the other one is 23. I'll just get that one.
Dude, my bangs look bad.
Hey. Oh.
I'm like, this is what I want.
Victoria is right over there. This is what we have for now.
Dude, is that gonna fit in my freaking medium-sized sedan?
No.
Medium-sized sedan.
My camera died, but we're on the mission to get the oat milk.
Cart update.
Cart update. It's full. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna fit all of these in the car, but we'll see. We'll find out how.
They told me I'm walking.
I think we're all gonna walk, the three of us. Found it. Coconut water.
Oh, is this one good? Yes, it's so good.
I'm gonna share this. Let's go. Mission success. Wait, are we gonna buy Arrow's food?
Oh,
Okay, we'll buy Arrow's food and then we're gonna go home. We'll figure out how to put everything in the car though. But yeah. This is what we're doing right now. We're trying to fit everything in.
What else was it? Give me an oat. It's right here.
oh.
Right there.
It's like a puzzle. A Tetris.
Tiramisu, take a photo.
Yeah. What it looks like on inside the car.
Oh, you're sure?
I don't know how they're gonna sit, but we'll make it
Will you
work.
get comfortable? I'll try to
We
hurry
have this box.
because this would not fit in a Civic.
Yay! It works.
Oh, my AC's hot. Let's put the windows down.
Fit.
I feel like my bangs look so bad right now.
Oh, for the plant, this is what I end up getting. The vase. It's like this. Looks nice. The plant. How are you doing, Victoria?
I'm chilling. I'm crisscross applesauce back here. This is currently where I'm crisscrossing. I don't know how Mika's gonna figure, but she gonna fit things. And yeah, I got my shark zucchini company. Oh, that was Mika.
Plants. Us. Mika. Victoria.
The meatballs.
Oh my god. Made it home. Look at Victoria. She's stuck. She can't get out. But we made it. Yay. We're gonna take everything up in one trip. We'll see. We just made it back home. And a kind guy helped us bring everything.
Oh yeah, bless his soul. I hope he gets money and punani. He deserves it.
Hey! No, I'm not. Delete that. I just caught myself.
This is where the vlog ends. Okay. I'm tired. Bye. See you on the next vlog.
Bye, guys. My bangs don't look like this all the time.
Okay, bye, Mika.
Damn, I
This is the aftermath. So many receipts.
And this is the